Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to show you guys how I prep my hair before I put some braids in. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair, so now I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry my hair with my Revlon blow dryer. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I use, and I'm going to trim my ends before I put my hair in this protective hairstyle as well. So I'm going to be using my Tresemme heat protectant. This is the heat tamer, and I always use this every time just to protect my hair from getting heat damage. Don't inhale it. And then I'm going to be using the Eden Body Works Hibiscus Honey Blow Dry Cream. And just put a pump of that if it wants to come out. Go ahead and trim what needs to be trimmed. It shouldn't be too bad because I just trimmed it a little bit with my last style. Don't be afraid to trim, guys. You guys can see that. Feels way better. So I just finished trimming that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just twist it up so it doesn't get tangled, just to get it out the way. But trimming makes such a big difference. I normally trim my hair like every 6 months, so I get rid of those dead ends. I mean, your hair's going to grow back, so you can't be afraid to just, you know, get rid of something that's not helping your hair grow. And eventually you're gonna have to get it cut off anyway. So okay, so I just went ahead and put a part to separate the front half from the back half, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some knotless braids back here, which is gonna take forever.
So I already went ahead and did my knotless braids in the back. I do have a video on how I do my own knotless braids, so I'll just go ahead and link it in the description box, or I'll add a card right here. Now I'm just showing you guys I used the 3x Ruwa, and this is the 1B27. And like I said, I used 2 packs of those, and I only got to, I think only one section of hair was left in the pack, so just go ahead and buy 2. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and see how I'm gonna do my design and parts. In the end, you guys can see that my parts aren't that straight, but that's okay. This is my first time doing it, and I'm gonna take my jam to kind of like straighten up get the parts as neat as it can be. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna keep parting. You guys, if you want to do your own design, if you're fancy like that, you know, I was really over it after doing all those braids. It literally took me 8 hours, so yeah. Here I'm just gonna go ahead, I think I fed in like 4 pieces, small pieces in the beginning, and then I kind of like keep adding so that they match the size of the knotless braids in the back. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the rest. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just went ahead and did my baby hairs a little bit and just put some makeup on. But this is the finished look. You know, I did pretty good. My husband did help me part, so shout out to him. But the front, this is how the front looks. It's not completely, you know, symmetrical, but it's okay. And it's pretty long. Will I be doing this hairstyle again? I don't know. It took me like 8 hours to do. I started at 9, ended at 5. So it was pretty 9 p.m. ended at 5 a.m. But I think it came out pretty good. I do say so myself. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I did already, I showed you guys what I used, and I used a pack, almost like a pack and a half, and that's it. And then I used the jam, of course. But that's pretty much it. If you guys liked how this turned out, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.